Let me save you years of frustration. I've spoken to hundreds of people over the last 5 years, and there is the one thing that they struggle the most with when it comes to health and fitness. It's not finding the right workout, it's not finding a nutrition plan. That one thing is consistency. See, you start strong. Week 1, you've got your meals planned out. You hit your workouts, you get your steps in. Maybe you even carry that on into week 2, but then by week 3, motivation takes a bit of a dip. Something's thrown a little bit of a curveball at you, and you start going off track. Sound familiar? Here's what no one tells you. Motivation isn't what you need. If your plan relies on you being motivated every single day, then it was never destined to work for you. If you want to win and see long-term results, then you need a system. Habits that are formed that run on autopilot. You need repeatable, not perfect. Ask yourself these 3 questions. Is your plan sustainable? With all of your other commitments in life, can you do it week after week? Or is it a bit unrealistic? Are you relying on willpower instead of just having the routine that is already fitting around your life? And do you have any accountability to ensure that you do the things you have set out to achieve? See, the thing is, you might have had failed attempts in the past. You are not lazy though. That is not the reason you haven't achieved your goals. You're just relying on crappy advice from people that possibly don't get your circumstances. What you need to achieve is small wins. Small wins stacked daily achieve big overall goals. You need systems and, yeah, a little bit of tough love to really kick through those tough times. That's why we've created the 4-week fix. The WhatsApp group for accountability and support and communication. The daily nuggets of golden information that will answer all of your burning questions. Weekly videos that set out every step of your journey and give you a few action steps. And training and nutrition plans that fit around your life. If you are ready to stop starting over, then maybe give this a try. Link is in the description, or just drop a comment and I can send it over to you. But just don't do nothing, because you've spent long enough doing that already.